how to revoke USB debugging authorization on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here, so click on Settings App. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Developer option. So after click on Developer option, scroll down and search. You will see second option is what USB debugging authorization is here. So if you want to check, so click on revoke USB debugging authorization. So revoke access to USB debugging from all computer. So okay. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can revoke USB debugging authorization on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.